Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you now how to create a passkey in Telegram app. Let me show you how, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Telegram app. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on settings. Click on privacy and security. Click on passkey. Protect your account, log in safely, and keep your account secure. Create a passkey. Make passkey to sign in easy and safety. You can as well log in with face recognition. That's the second option. Third option, store passkey securely. Your passkey is stored safely in the cloud and service you choose, just like so. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on create passkey. Then go ahead and hit on continue. Enter your biometric lock and passkey has been successfully created. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Telegram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.